This video is for the class The Language of Algebra, and it goes over worksheet 3-2. If you're in this class, I'll throw up the answers here in a minute. There's only 4 questions in this particular this particular worksheet, and you can do it, and then I will show you how to do it, like the same drill we always do. If you're not and you want to be in this class, look down in the description, and there is a link to the live version of this class. Okay, so let me throw up these answers. All right, so grade it, pause it, because I'm about ready to explain it. All right, so if C is the number of cups of water needed to make paper mache paste, then 1/4 C can be used to find the number of cups of flour needed. So it must be a 4 cups to water to 1 cup of flour. If you take my pre-algebra part 2, I go over these proportions. Okay, so then 1/4 C can be used to find the number of cups of flour needed. Find the number of cups of flour needed for each of the cups of water. So this is my expression, and all I'm doing is substituting in the numbers given. Okay, so for the first one, it's times 3. Well, all I have to, sorry, I did the answer. Sorry. It's times 12. So I put 12 in for my C, okay, to multiply these two fractions, because that's what's going on here. They're being multiplied. I just have to put a 1 underneath my 12. Okay, so that's 12/4, and that's the whole number 3. All right, same formula, but this time I'm putting 8 in for C. This is multiplication, so I got to keep these parentheses around it, throw a 1 underneath, and I get 8/4. 4 goes into 8 2 times, so it's 2 cups. Now we get into some weird ones. So still same formula, 1/4 C. Okay, let's put our number in for C, which is 7. Throw a 1 underneath to make it also a fraction. 1 times 7 is 7. 4 times 1 is 4. And this is an acceptable answer, 7/4 cups. Or you could turn it into a mixed number. 4 goes into 7 one time with 3 left over. All right, still same formula. Put 10 in. Got to put a 1 underneath. All right, depending on where your learner is, you could grade this a couple of different ways. If I do the multiplication, I get 10/4. If you haven't gotten to reducing, that's a viable answer. You could also turn this into a mixed number, which is 1 and 1/2, and that's a reduced answer. Okay, it would be 2/4, but that reduces down to 1/2. So if you're giving a mixed reduced answer, this would be an acceptable answer. And if you're okay with your learner turning it into a decimal, that is also an acceptable answer. The only thing at this grade level that I would not I would be upset about in grading, and is also true to the course, because the course is the language of algebra, it's communicating algebra, is if they didn't put cups of flour at the end. You need to tell me what those numbers mean. We've been working with word problems. They should be able to display units. So make sure whatever answer they explain what that number means. Cups of flour, not water, they're the flour. All right, very good. Okay, so if you have any questions, email me. If you don't, I'll see you in the next video.